Hi friends, and welcome back to Neema's kitchen. Chicken recipes are something which we all love, and today I'm going to show you a very juicy and crispy KFC style fried chicken in a homemade version. I hope you guys will enjoy by making this easy and delicious recipe at home. So let's get started. For coating, we need turmeric powder, half teaspoon, red chili powder, half tablespoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, salt, half teaspoon, corn flour, quarter cup, all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 cups, soya sauce, half tablespoon, tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon, black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon, red chili powder, half tablespoon, chicken masala, half tablespoon, but it's optional, garam masala, 1 teaspoon, oil, 1 tablespoon, salt, quarter teaspoon, chicken pieces, 500 grams. For the KFC style chicken, first I'm going to cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and then goes in our chicken. For this recipe, I've taken chicken around 500 grams and with bones. Mix it gently. Cover it up and leave it there to cook for 10 minutes. See, our chicken has been half cooked. Let's turn off the flame and remove the chicken pieces to a bowl. Now let's leave it there to cool down to room temperature. Now to a bowl add in soya sauce, tomato ketchup, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, red chili powder, optional chicken masala, black pepper powder, and a final salt. Mix in well. Now let's marinate our chicken. Let's leave it here for 2 hours for marination. Meanwhile, let's get the coating ready. So first, let's add in our all-purpose flour or maida. Then goes in our corn flour, turmeric powder, garlic powder, red chili powder. Here I am using Kashmiri chili, but you can use any chili of your choice. And finally, our salt. Now let's combine all these ingredients. Keep this aside. Next, let's get the egg wash ready. For that, I've taken 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, and then I'm going to add in a pinch of black pepper powder. Whisk it nicely. It's already 2 hours now. Let's get the chicken coated. So first, let's take the chicken, dip it in the mixture, and then in the egg wash, and then coat it back again in the mixture. Now you can repeat the same with the rest of your chicken pieces. Our chicken pieces are all set. Now let's deep fry it in oil or until it is golden brown in color. Our chicken looks good. Let's drain. Now let's repeat with the rest of our chicken pieces. So, this is the perfect, juicy and crispy KFC style chicken right here. Hope you guys will try this out during this weekend. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all back again in my next video. So, as usual, stay tuned.